Ice cream lovers, Steve Christensen here with my good friend Paolo. How are you, mate?
I'm fine, thank you.
We have stumbled across one of the finds of the show. We tell people every year to come to Sigep for new product launches, new concepts. Paolo has basically introduced, Paolo and Leagel have introduced, I'm going to say, a world's first at the show, Perfume per Gelato.
Yeah, Perfume for Gelato.
Right.
It's our novelty, and we are launching here at CITA 2025 an entire selection of new perfume for gelato. Very, very innovative ideas for the sector.
Absolutely, and you were saying that, and it's very true when we talk to people about coming into either an ice cream shop or a gelato store, is that you want to give people what we call the organoleptic experience. See and smell waffle cones maybe, look at the selection, taste the product, but often the temperature of the product itself is too low to smell, right?
Exactly. Our gelato, it's fantastic to taste, but unfortunately, it's not always. We are not always able to capture the smell of the
Right.
gelato for the low temperature. We try to work it out, this lack of sense, introducing this new experience.
Absolutely. Is the idea that the gelato maker, I mean, are you making this product available to the gelato makers, gelato servers, and part of the process is it's part of the entertainment. They spray before they serve, no?
Exactly, this is our idea. We not only give to the gelato maker a new ingredients, but we give them a new opportunity to involve the
Yes.
customer experience and to enhance the sensorial experience of our customer.
Yes.
Not only the taste, but also the smell.
I mean, the beauty of crafting the product on the cone and then, like you're in a beautiful high-end perfumeria, it's fantastic.
Exactly. It's definitely a new ritual in the gelato
Yes.
parlor.
What flavors are we looking at for this launch?
Okay, we select 6 flavors, and for example, rose, cardamom, cinnamon, and pepper of Nepal, for example, is my favorite.
This product, I think it's incredible because you've also able, not just gelato, I mean, if you've got product here from a soft serve machine, right? You can spray it onto there. Does that have equal application?
We don't have border for this project. Also because we are inspired by other words, by beverage, by
Yes.
food. So we want that the market can catch this idea and interprets
Yes.
this idea on their own ideas.
Right. I love the fact that you said there are no borders.
No borders.
There's no borders to sense. Now, can you get to the point where a gelato store will now get to pair like scents with different products? For example, when you go have a nice meal and they pair a wine to your meal, do some of these scents pair up to the different flavors?
Our professionals, we have a technician team of gelato makers studied this combination, and we propose some match, some pair between gelato and perfumes. For example, we uncovered that chocolates, it's really, really good matched with cardamom,
Right.
creating a very, very incredible experience
Yes.
of tasting. So yes, we suggest some pairs, but again, no borders.
Right.
The creativity is on the gelato maker's side.
Yes, I love it. I'm so excited. I think this is probably the find of the show. And I think, Paolo, you're a genius. I know you say there's a team of experts, but you are the man at the front.
We love to energize the segment, the market. We
Yes.
love to put on every year on Sigep Rimini a lot of ideas, useful ideas, concrete and pragmatic ideas, but also can be dreamy for someone.
I think this is, I mean, this isn't a product that's, it's an idea and it's just for the show, but it's not for real gelaterias. This is something that every store could be doing.
This is at the same time fancy, but also very, very concrete, very pragmatic again.
So can we taste and smell some of these products?
Of course, I will invite you.
Okay, we're here with Rita. What are we going to start with, Rita? Maybe some vanilla, something simple. So we're going to do vanilla and rose. And again, this process here is about pairing flavors with scents. It's fabulous. So a bit of a spray. Vanilla and rose. I mean, the presentation in and of itself is beautiful. Oh, this is what we're talking about when we talk about the organoleptic experience. You're smelling and tasting all at the same time. So we're going to do a chocolate and pepper. Chocolate and pepper from Naples. Presentation and the art of spraying in front of the customer is just so cool. Chocolate and pepper from Naples. Got a slight peppery scent to it. It's almost like this kind of just touch of, I wouldn't even call it flavor or a scent, it's kind of an experience. The process of doing this in front of the customer as well is that you're giving people a reason to come to your store. They may drive past 3 other shops to get there. Peach and lemon with Sicilian orange perfume. Honestly, I've been a long time in this industry. I don't know whether I've been excited about a product as much as this. Keep it going, Rita. What have we got next? Coffee and cinnamon. Let's get it rolling. I just can't stop. The process here. And the cinnamon scent and flavor can kind of cover a whole variety of products you already have in your case. Who wouldn't want to spray cinnamon on practically everything for the fall flavors? What else have we got, Rita? Rice pudding with cardamom. Why not, I say. In Australia, we would call her Rita the Eater. Good one, Rita. This is the big crescendo, ladies and gentlemen. Because a lemon and lavender and a honey and lavender are extremely popular flavors and products in the gelato world and more recently in the ice cream world too. A couple of sprays of lavender here. There we go. We can see it happening. Do you sometimes maybe spray behind the ears? Lemon cookie and lavender. We're going to put a link to this product down below here. Thank you very much to Paolo, for Rita. Honestly, I think it's the find of the show. In fact, we just stumbled across it. This is why you've got to come to this show, ladies and gentlemen. Pick up these things, these kind of new products. Groundbreaking. Paolo said off camera that it's not the first time beverage companies and food companies have been spraying perfume on food for ages. It's a gelato first. Absolutely incredible. Ice cream lovers, again, link is down below. Keep on scooping. We'll see you in the next video.